All right, my beautiful followers. Good morning and welcome to today's class. In today's class, I want us to see what we have inside this. Guy, we're going to carry out an electrical surgery on this contactor. But first, as I told you earlier, contactor is just a switch, and it is a switch, that is controlled by the presence of an electrical signal that is connected between a 1 and a 2. All right, and the signal required to operate this one is about 220 to 230 volts. If you are operating on 50 hertz, and about 230 volts to 240 volts. If you are operating at 60 hertz, okay, and this is used to power a 3-phase equipment because it is a 3-pole contactor. What I mean is that we have L1, L2, L3, and T1, T2, T3, okay? And then this other one here is the auxiliary, which is normally open auxiliary terminals. So let me go further to explain this. Electrically. When you see this in a drawing, it's going to be represented with a symbol like this. First of all, I will start with the poles. I can make the pole to be something like this. Number 1, number 2, and note 3 here. And then we're going to have this one, we're going to have this one, we're going to have this one, and of course, we have another one here, which is the auxiliary. All right, and then this is operated by a magnet, which is the coil. This is the coil. And remember, the coil is labeled A1 and a 2. And then, of course, you're going to have this dotted line, and then we label this 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one, sometimes the auxiliary, you can have 13 and 14. This one is a normally open, auxiliary contact, just the way we have on this one. All right, so what we have here, if we keep it side by side, 1,2 is 1,2 to 3,4 is 3,4,5,6 is 5,6. And then 13,14 is 13,14, and this is normally open. So this 1, 3, and 5, these are the input, which are this. These poles here, 2, 3 for power. And this 2, 4, 6 is the output that is connected to the load from 1, 2, 3, all right. And then it is further labeled. This is line 1, this is line 2, and this is line 3. And that is why you always see 1, L13, L2 5, L3, and then down here. This one is terminal 1, and this one is terminal 2, and this one is terminal 3, just the way you have them down here. All right, this here is the electrical symbol of this contractor. There are some contractors that may have an additional auxiliary terminal, which could be the normally closed, and the symbol for that one. If we are going to include it here, it's going to be something like this. And then with this one, which is closed, all right, this one is normally labeled 21 and 22, okay? So this is our normally closed and normally closed. So this is the electrical symbol of our contactor. All right, so down here,